Well, a good Saturday evening to everyone. A very chilly day across the basin. In fact, out at Midland International, only reaching the upper 30s, 39 degrees, 23 degrees below average, where we should be averaging 62 for this time of year. Early this morning, dropping very cold, 26 degrees, a full 8 degrees below normal there. No official rainfall at the airport for today, but that could change as we head into the overnight hours. So right now outside, below freezing already, 31 degrees and east-northeast wind at 15 miles an hour. Dew point is at 10, so humidity is at 33%. As we take a look at the time lapse earlier from the Pinpoint 7 iCams looking towards Fort Stockton. Again, we started off with a few clouds, and then as the day continued to progress throughout the area, we got mostly cloudy skies, and again, temperatures remain cold all day long, and those are going to continue to drop as we head towards the evening and overnight hours. Again, we're sitting at 31 here, as well as in Hobbs. Ruidoso checking in at 21 degrees, 38 in Fort Stockton, and a couple of 37s down towards Marfa and Alpine. And it is breezy out there, so the feel-like temperature, it feels like 20 outside, 19 in Hobbs, 10 in Ruidoso. So very cold. Pine Springs, where you have a high wind warning in effect till 5 o'clock in the morning Mountain Standard Time. It feels like 8 degrees for you folks there. 28 for our friends down into the Marfa region. Right down on the surface, we have a lot of clouds that have started to come in place, evident of that moisture that is already readily available to interact with the cold air across the region and continue to have high pressure in control of the central United States. And that is still diving in some very cold Arctic air into all of the state of Texas. You can see very cloudy conditions throughout the entire state. And again, these are going to be the two, if I get out of the way here, these are going to be the two systems that we're going to be watching here, and that will start to increase and interact with the cold air and give us that chance for some wintry precip. So as we take a look at specifics, what we can expect in the morning, Sunday at 3 o'clock. Notice around Marfa, Alpine, portions of Pecos and Jeff Davis County already seeing a wintry mix at 3 o'clock in the morning. As you go throughout time, the 8 o'clock, we get more of a widespread wintry mix, more of a snowfall falling around the Hobbs, Ruidoso area, portions of Gaines County into our northern counties as well. And as we go through noontime, again, this stretches out. This will be the first line that passes through at the noontime hour. And as we go ahead and continue on throughout the rest of the afternoon, we get another line that'll start to form out to our west around Ruidoso. So I think we'll start to see a freezing rain at that point. But at 10 o'clock, that next line comes right on in, and we still have that opportunity for some sleet, snow mixture all across the basin. So accumulation amounts should stay between 1 to 3 inches. I think our biggest concern is going to be the ice accumulation on the roadways. But notice by 7 o'clock in the morning, all that shifts off towards the east, and we even start to see some clearing skies as we head towards Monday morning. So in the morning, mostly cloudy, cold. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some drizzle around the area. Overnight low of 25 degrees and east wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. By noontime, there's that wintry mix, 32 degrees. It'll be breezy, a southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. And by 4 o'clock, we get that second band in. Sleet, rain, 35 degrees, a southeast wind anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. So morning lows, again, very cold, 22 for Hobbs, 25 in Odessa, 30 down for our friends into the Fort Stockton region. So please be very careful on the roadways, especially traveling if you have any overnight travels, I should say, and all day tomorrow. Especially cautious on the bridges and roadways as we have that winter weather advisory in effect all day long. 35 for tomorrow. Again, sleet, snow mixture all day long throughout the forecast on Sunday. And notice the temperatures don't drop all too much as we go into Monday morning, 34. So not very big temperature variable, but what is a big variable is starting Monday. We're back into the 60s, 64 degrees, still breezy conditions, and Tuesday on Valentine's Day looks really nice, partly to mostly sunny skies, 71 degrees. Wednesday, 65, and Thursday, 60 as another system approaches. So again, we're going to be here all night long monitoring the winter weather that's approaching West Texas. If you have any pictures, if you have any updates anywhere around West Texas, we'd like to receive them. Again, we'll be watching it all night. If we need to break in and cut in, we'll do that as well. Make sure everyone stays safe for the next 24 hours.
Yeah, I'm just ready to get through these next couple of days and warm up again.
Well, like I said, just really for the next 24, because Monday, it's kind of back to warm, 60s.
That's the good news.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Juan.